The standard atmosphere is a unit of pressure defined as 101,325 pascals. It is sometimes used as a reference or standard pressure. History. In 1954, the 10th Conférence Générale des Poids et Mesures adopted standard atmosphere for general use and affirmed its definition of being precisely equal to 1,013,250 dynes per square centimeter. This value was intended to represent the mean atmospheric pressure at mean sea level at the latitude of Paris, France, and does reflect the mean sea level pressure for many industrialized nations that are at broadly similar latitudes. In chemistry and in various industries, the reference pressure referred to in standard temperature and pressure was commonly 1 atmosphere, but standards have since diverged. In 1982, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry recommended that for the purposes of specifying the physical properties of substances, standard pressure should be precisely 100 kilopascals. Pressure units and equivalencies. A pressure of 1 atmosphere can also be stated as 1.01325 bars 101,325 pascal or 101.325 kilopascal 1013.25 millibars 760 or 760.001 millimeters Hg 0 degrees Celsius. Subject to revision as more precise measurements of mercury's density become available. 29.9213 in Hg 0 degrees Celsius. Subject to revision as more precise measurements of mercury's density become available. 1.033,222,799,886 kilograms force per square centimeter. 1.033,222,799,886. Technical atmosphere 1033.227 452,799,886 centimeters H2O 4 degrees Celsius 406.782461 732-2385 in H2O 4 degrees Celsius 14.695948 7755134 pounds force per square inch 2116.216 623 673 94 pounds force per square foot equals 1 atm. The atm unit is used in place of atm to indicate that the pressure shown is the total ambient pressure, compared to vacuum, of the system being calculated or measured. For example, for underwater pressures, a pressure of 3.1 atm would mean that the 1 atmosphere of the air above water is included in this value and the pressure due to water would total 2.1 atmospheres. Notes: Torr and mmHg 0 degrees Celsius are often taken to be identical. For most practical purposes, they are interchangeable. ABC. This is the customarily accepted value for cmH2O 4 degrees Celsius. It is precisely the product of 1 kilogram force per square centimeter times 1.01325 divided by 0.980665. It is not accepted practice to define the value for water column based on a true physical realization of water. Also, this physical realization would still ignore the 8.285 cm H2O reduction that would actually occur in a true physical realization due to the vapor pressure over water at 3.984 degrees Celsius. AB NIST value of 13.595078 g/ml assumed for the density of Hg at 0 degrees Celsius. Other applications. Scuba divers and others use the word atmosphere and ATM in relation to pressures that are relative to mean atmospheric pressure at sea level. For example, a partial pressure of oxygen is calibrated typically using air at sea level, so is expressed in units of ATM. The old European unit technical atmosphere is equal to 1 kg force per square centimeter. 7004980665000000098,066.5 pascals.